Yo, what's happening, guys? What's happening? Hope we're good. Mic was off for a reason, I don't know. Been a long time being here. Been a wow. Been some time. Are we good? Are we having a good one? Are we trading? Are we trading? Are you guys trading? We caught a trade here. Still looks a little bit slow, but it hit TP1. It did hit TP1. It did hit TP1. Despite the fact that my last 2 weeks of trading has been bad. It's been really bad. But we caught a trade here. We caught a trade here. Afternoon, how are you doing? I'm good. I'm good. Why are you wearing a suit? Let me take it off. I should be wearing a suit. How are you doing? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Hopefully you're good too. And hopefully you're trading. Hopefully you are trading today. Are you trading? Afternoon billionaire traders. I don't think anybody's a billionaire here often. Not even myself. Maybe someday we're gonna be. But meantime, you know. But afternoon to you. Afternoon to you. You're looking great today. Really? I always look great, James. But thanks for that. Always look great. But thanks for that. I hope you guys have signed up for the tour. I'll put a link in the description. All right? Just so you guys can actually go sign up if you haven't. We're doing a tour starting off, I think in the next, I should say like 11 days. Yeah, 11 days from now. We're doing a Forex tour. So if you're in Osaka, you could join. You could join on the 10th. If you are in Copperbelt, you could join on the 24th. That's what it's giving. What is it giving? Good afternoon. Hey Daliso, hope you're good. Just waiting for New York Station. Nice, nice. I caught a trade here. It was a very frustrating trade. If I'm being honest with you. It wasn't an easy one. It wasn't. Got close to my stop. I think missed my stop by maybe 5 points or something. Very frustrating trade. So frustrating. I've been having these kind of trades the last 2 weeks. Imagine. Last 2 weeks has been like this. You know, so frustrating. Yeah. But it's part of the business, you know. Kind of part of the business. And I also feel like maybe because I haven't really been, you know, the market's been a little bit messed up. The whole tariffs thing and, you know, all these global wars going on. Certain movements are happening at times that we don't really expect them to happen. Like I've been seeing movements happening like New York, I mean, like Asian station. You know, like look at gold. Gold is moving in Asian station. Look at that. From here, look at this big move. Asian station. Big move. And I woke up to see it's like, wow, missed out on that. You know? It was a big move right there. I think the entry was going to come off like this candle here. I was like around 3 in the morning. 3 in the morning. Break below there. maybe you take like a nice sell somewhere here, and then you put like a stop. Maybe if you put your stop exactly at this candle, it's gonna get hit, because look at how that other candle comes out. But if you put it like maybe somewhere here and you have like a 1 2 3, it gets hit nicely, something like that. But that was like 3 in the morning. I didn't catch that. I saw that happening, but I didn't really catch that. I saw that happening this morning. I didn't catch that. Yeah, right now I'm still struggling with this, but it hit TP1, which is a beauty, at least, which is a beauty. The mic was off. Crazy, man. What's happening? The Mace's stream after a while. Mic went off for whatever reason. I don't know. Sorry for that. At Government Complex, will you be teaching the same information as in the free course? Could be different. Who knows? We're gonna know when it's that day. Yeah, we're gonna know when it's that day. Right now we can't know until then. Can't wait for the 10th. Nice. Good afternoon, Mr. Halaba. Few people call me that, but I think it sounds good. Roni, afternoon, man. Hope you're good. It's a motivational concept, Mr. Nas. Nice, orphan. Motivational concept for sure. One day we're gonna become billionaires. Yeah, off the charts. Let's look at NASDAQ. This is a little bit like playing a couple games here. Let's look at NASDAQ. What's happening here? I caught a buy here the other day. Not so happy about it, but you know, if you look at the daily time frame on this, it looks like we're in a bullish run. Yeah, looks like we're in a bullish run. My mic is fighting me today. Yeah, it really is fighting. 1 minute is off, next minute wants to hit my face. Let's look at this. If you look at this particular chart on a daily time frame, this is a bullish market. Look at where markets are coming from. Look at this candle here. Very big body candle. Look at this candle. All right, look at this candle. The only time this market becomes bearish is when we break the law of this candle. All right, but as it stands, we have created a high there. Of course, today markets came, you know, tested the same high. But I'm thinking maybe they want to test the, you know, they're also seeing the open of yesterday's candle, you know, and perhaps maybe after that could continue. But overall, I think it's a very bullish market. It's a very bullish market. We have a strong support here that became, I mean, it was a resistance, became support. Price did retest that level about like twice. Kind of gives me the vibe like, hey man, look, we're just trying to test this level, but we're going up. Right? Look at this. 1. Look at that. 2. Price is most likely going to go up. I said most likely. Yeah, I didn't say it's going to go up, but I said most likely. Going up all the way to where? If you check left, you realize that there's an area here, all right, that price is struggling to break. If it can break this level, I think we can fill up this week on the left side, this week here. So it means that we have to break this level, all right, for us to maybe go up and fill up that week. All right. I think it's a very easy approach. But again, now you go down to like the 4-hour time frame. While you're on the 4-hour time frame, you realize that levels are changing now. You know, levels are changing. Now you have a level here, all right, which is kind of like a resistance level that's being created right now based off the close of this candle. And then you have this support here, all right, price is coming from this support here, somewhere here, all right, so we have a support level somewhere here. And I kind of feel like maybe price is like, you know, retracing or something. I think it's like retracing or something, because it's like if you pull up the fib from here to maybe here, kind of looks like it's retracing, you know. Yeah, it looks like it's retracing maybe to any of these 2 fib levels before a major continuation, right? It could be a major continuation back to this level here, right? Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like it. Max Baba here. Max, nice, good to see you. The government complex, will you? Okay, I think I read that. I really want to know what to know. What do you mean by that? You really want to know how to trade? Learn. You're learning right now. Join the platforms. We have a free course already. You can learn from that. There's different platforms where you can learn. So you just join, be part of the be part of the things we're doing. We have a free seminar on the 10th. You could join that, learn from there too. There's a lot of platforms that we provide education on. So I don't think that should be a hassle. I genuinely don't think that should be a hassle. There is a lot of platforms that we have today where you can learn from. Yeah, just join, just be a part of them. That's it. Yeah, anyway, if you go time frame, kind of like maybe if you go down to let's say 30 minutes time frame, things change a little bit here. All right, this level is down here, right? Fact. But then before that level, looks like we do have some levels as well. We have a level that price did create somewhere here, right? And I kind of feel like it's retesting that level only if we can break this particular spot. Perhaps maybe I think we can have like a downside continuation as well. You know, like downside maybe to this level, right? But if you fail to break this area here, price could be playing around here and maybe go back to the upside if it does create support. My mic keeps going off, guys. I don't know, to be honest. I don't know what's happening. No, we're good. It just keeps going off. What's happening today? Bruh. Messing up the stream. It's not my fault. It's just the mic. What's your view on SMC concepts? It works for some people. For others, it doesn't work. I just kind of feel like it's so complicated for me. I don't think I'm that smart to learn SMC. There's people who've learned it and they use it. Yeah, mic was off. I'm so sorry for that. I don't know today, man. It's been a long time we did a stream, and this thing keeps going off. Whatever reason. Sorry for that. I don't know. Repeat what you said. Well, I'm looking for a sell if price breaks this level. All right. If we break this level, we could sell. If we break this area, we could buy about like 100 points. All right. Yeah, about like 100 points. So our buys could be like maybe something like this. All right, maybe something like that, and then maybe like we have like a stop like below here, and then we have like maybe TP somewhere here. All right, then our sells could be below this level back to this area here. Any of the two could happen. We just need to wait and see what's gonna be more favorable based off on how candles are closing, right? I know for everybody else they'll be like, hey, it's gonna sell because we have a double top. Yeah, I don't really trade those structures personally, but if you're seeing that, yeah, that's good. And I know somebody might be like, we have an inner trend line somewhere here, whatever. I don't know how you guys draw the stuff, but yeah, I understand. I do. Just wait for this and see what's gonna happen. Mic is off. Now it's on. Yes. Sorry for that. It was off for every reason. I don't know why. Literally streaming and winning on gold. Really? Is gold still giving us money? Gold is playing around today. It gave us money and then it's just playing around right now. Yeah, it is. Let's see how the day, unfolds for it. Maybe it could end off like as a beautiful day. I don't know. Let's just see. I'm told after tomorrow is a holiday again. Bruh. So many holidays in this country. Guys, we're fighting a losing battle today. Why is this mic going off? Why is this mic going off? Off. Today sucks. Maybe let me lower it. Maybe I'm pressing because it's got like a button down here. You turn it off. I don't know. Sorry for that, guys. I hope it doesn't happen again. Terrible. I hope it doesn't happen. I hope it doesn't happen. But Mike is back now. I was responding to Emmanuel's comment. He says he wants me to show him how to use a fib. I was saying the best way is, I have a video on that. It's in the free platform. We have a community. We've been doing like a free course and stuff. So I explained how to use a fib perfectly in there. So you could hit me up and I'll add you to the platform. I think there's a link in the description. Just click one of the links and I think you should be able to join the platform. The mic is off. Now it's on. Yeah. Sorry, now it's on. I don't know today. Oof. I don't know. Ask me some questions. Let's go. The mic struggle is real today. Whatever happened to this mic? The mic is off again. I think it's on now. Very smart, Mr. Nas. Pressure free. Okay. I think it's on now. Keeps going off, but it's on now. Anyway, let's look at a different asset. Is it late to enter sell now? I don't really think it's late. You just need to be careful. There's so many levels being created right now. There's less volume, so many levels. I think there's news. Let's see. There could be news. Most likely. There could be news, maybe. I think so. Oh, no. There isn't news, actually. There is, but it's not that important. It's like at 4 p.m. Stop opening this. Not that important. Not. But if you're going to enter sell, you need to be very careful right now. You need to be very careful. You need to be very careful. I know these markets are playing fun. If you don't have patience, you can mess up. Yeah, and I think it's not just really about having patience. It's just the idea that you maintain a good risk plan every other day, right? It's they become funny sometimes. They really do get funny. Markets really can be funny sometimes. But you can do yourself a favor and maintain a good risk plan, all right? That doesn't put you in a position where you have to lose so much money when markets are behaving funny, as you put it. All right? Just maintain a good plan. I think that's going to help you. What time is New York? New York is at exactly 3:30 is the open. Yeah. But like right now it's like pre-New York. And we're getting into New York session at 3 p.m. Right now it's like still pre-New York. So yeah, you can still see some volume here and there. What else do I need to come for the seminar? Mic has gone off. No, mic is on now. Mano, mic is on. Bruh, this guy. I think the mic is on. Can you help me check if it's on? I think it's on. Guy says mic is off. He's showing me it's on here. Oh no, mic is on. Yeah, mic is on now. This guy. Mic is on. Yeah. We're losing it every now and then. I don't know, but now it's on. I can see from there. Yeah, it is on. Let's go. What asset should I look at now? What asset? Oh man, I'm gonna end this stream very soon because the mic keeps going off. Do we have another mic? No, we're done here. Crazy. Hints for the tablets. I'll give you hints very soon. But you need to have an account. You need to have an account with me. You need to register an account with a link in the description. Register a trading account. That's the first hint. All right. Because when you do, it makes it easy for you to get into the draw. All right. And then pull up, show up, be part of the tour. I'll give you more hints as I come live here with time. Check BTC. Looks good. Looks like a good setup. Really? Let's look at BTC. I explained this yesterday. We had not really, okay, we had like a mini stream, learn and earn platform. Okay, I think here, waiting to see if price can break this level is more ideal. Yeah. If we can break the high there, that should be good. Sells below here be okay too, but I think we're more down on buys because I think the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour candle has failed to break the low of the previous 4 hour candle. So it kind of looks like we might continue going up. All right. Yeah, kind of looks like it. It's been a bullish market, but again, ranging overall, but bullish. This is a daily time frame. Very bullish as well. Very bullish. Yeah. Big body candle from yesterday. This candle did create, and I was just talking about this on my IG. Go check out my recent IG story after this. Right? Big body recent candle, and this candle created like a low, right? And then we have like a high, then we have like a low downside for this other candle, right? So what this means is that price is more likely going to go up, right? If we break this high even better, price has more volume to push further to the upside, but that might take some time. So you want to obviously have that understanding, and then reduce, go to the lower time frames. Like let's say you be on this time frame here, 30 minutes, and just anticipate a break above this level, then look for a buy. I think that's a very easy way to trade. Very, very easy way to trade. Yeah, so I would say you'd be looking for buys anywhere above this level, right? And sometimes if you don't want to miss out on the move, you could put like an alarm, right? Like a, an alert rather, we call it. So you push it to that exact price point. What price point is that? That should be like, that should be like 952. Let's say 260. No. Okay, something like that. Yeah, something like that. So if we break that level, you get notified that we've broken the level, so you can look for an entry, right? Your entry will be based off if the candle closes bullish here, right? And then it has like a low, whatever, and a high. So you use that low to put your stop, right? You put your stop there, and then obviously you have your entry right there, right? And then you put your TP based off on what's happening on the left side, right? It's very easy. I show you guys this every single time, everywhere, streams, whatever. It's just very easy, right? It's just very easy. And I'm glad to see a lot of people using these same concepts. They are utilizing simplicity to ensure that they are very productive. All right? Yeah. Yeah, man. So I think this is what's happening. Mr. Nas, have you had your lunch? Yes. You want to buy me lunch? Bro, I had a very good Shima with my guys. I think Shima is bad for work, to be honest with you. Like you start like dozing and feeling lazy and stuff. I can see one of my boys is literally yawning behind me here. Yeah, but I mean it is what it is. I don't think Shima should be had if you're at work. I think you need to have like some kind of like a different meal or something. Yeah. You guys know the feeling of having Shima on a sunny day? Crazy. Messes up your whole day. Gold can we buy? Is it looking like a buy right now? No, I don't think gold is buying. I think gold is ranging, but we took sells. Yeah, we took sells. I hope we don't cry. I hope it doesn't end in tears for us. But we secured like TP1, so I think we should be good. Yeah, we secured like TP1 and stuff. But NASDAQ will be very good. Yeah, it could be retracing for sure. And I'm not really against what you said right there. Okay, if you look at it like in this sense, maybe someone might have crossed out a fib from this level here to somewhere up there, right? And they say it's, you know, it's got into this area. Yeah, I mean, that's also possible. Yeah, it's very possible. It could go up. Yeah, but I think for me, if you're gonna look for buys, right? If you're gonna look for buys, maybe you wait for a bullish candle to really close anywhere above here, right? Anywhere above here. Maybe something like this, right? Yeah, maybe something like this. That you can look for buy, right? Buy there for price to push up, right? I'm open to that idea too. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. I'm really open to that idea too. Not a bad one. Not. Just that I saw a break off this range, and it kind of looks like we're losing a lot of volume. So yeah, could mean price wants to turn around. Yeah. And one thing I love about trading the way I do is that every candle really tells you a lot about what price is doing. Right? It tells you a lot about what you should be doing right now based off on how a candle is closed. All right, should you continue holding? Should you increase the risk? Should you reduce the risk? Should you close partial of your losses? You know, if you're in drawdown, should you close partial of the drawdown? Candles really tell you that, like based on how they're printing and stuff. Yeah, so Mike is off again. Wow. Bruh. I think I should end this stream. Mike is on right now. What the hell is happening today? Yeah, I don't know. Nothing looks wrong. Mic is off. I had shawarma. You have shawarma for lunch? Wow. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Please explain on London high, London low, and how you can use them in your station. I did a video on that in part of the free course that we have. The mic is that's okay. I think it went off at some point. It keeps going on and off. I don't know. Crazy thing. So you can check out that video in the free platform that we have. Just request join it, and then I'll send over the video for you to look at. Yeah, I can see potentials of gold going up because now it's like rejecting to the downside. Yeah, this is a part where I close some of my orders right where it is. But let me see how this candle closes. It's closing in like 9 minutes. Yeah, I have a friend of mine coming to the office very soon. Okay, let me respond to this guy. Okay, ninth floor. Yeah. Yeah, gold looks like it's rejecting right now. Looks like it's rejecting right now, the downside. It's him. Your mic is just fine. Oh, yeah, I think it's him. But I think my mic has been very bad today. My mic has been... Yeah, gold looks like it's going up. Yeah, looks like it. Closing some of my orders here. I got to close partials here. I don't want to go through the same experience that I had the whole time. So I'm gonna just close. Looks like we're creating support here. Rather, we have created support, right? We have created support here. And price breaking this would mean that we could go to the freaking upside, right? But also, I think the best area is really if price would break maybe 33.24 for buys. This would be the best place to look for buys. If we can break this level here. If we don't, maybe here. This would be like an early entry because now you're still in a range. So it's best that sometimes maybe you wait and see if price can break this. I think I'm gonna wait personally. If price can break this level. Yeah. So do you drink what? Water? I do drink water, a lot of water. I recommend you drink water too. You guys ask funny questions like, do you drink? Wow, bro. Wow. I can't wait to see you in person. I look the same way you see me online in person. But online, I think I look lighter. In person, I'm more darker. I think online is like filtered. And then like, if you see me in person, you'd be like, whoa. I didn't think you look like this. Yeah. But I can't wait to see you too, man. Can't wait to see you. You always know if I'm in any room, I'm trying to provide any kind of value. Yeah. Trying to provide any kind of value. So if you're going to join these rooms, you're going to get so much value, trust me. And I'm not the only person who's doing the talkie. There's a couple guys also doing the talkie. Right, let me show you. No, man, I didn't want to do this. Yeah. Okay. I have a Facebook. You guys go follow me on Facebook. Do you guys follow me on Facebook? Yeah, I created this account like, I think like, how long? Maybe like a few months ago. Yeah. I hated Facebook. I love it now. Bro, I love it. I love Facebook. I think I'm going to also create like TikTok. What do you guys think? Yeah. I'm going to create like a TikTok as well. But then I think like TikTok, I might need to like do like some I don't know, like challenges or something like a dancing challenge. I think they do a lot of that. Just to gain like some traction. Yeah. So these are the guys speaking here. All right. These are the guys speaking. Brilliant guys, brilliant minds. Solomon is a smart guy, very smart. Joshua, very smart guy too. Lee is a very good guy too. And this guy here, Senga, I think Senga is like from Kitwe. I haven't met him, but I think he's like from Kitwe or something. But yeah, just I hope to see you guys there. And should be very interesting. Should be. And I have a bunch of flyers. Any of you guys wants to come to the office and get some and help me distribute? I have like flyers like this. Yeah, if you just hit me up. Like, hey man, I wanna come to the office. Wanna distribute some flyers. That'll do. I have a bunch of flyers, like, you know, bunch of, just sitting right here. Yeah. If you guys wanna help me do that, I think that'll be good. I think that'll be good. I love the video you did for this. Oh really? Oh really? Man, I have a very good team. Like my team is like, I have one of the best team around me. So you just think like I'm doing all these things.
What?
Yeah, this was fire. This was fire. This was really fire. Yeah.
125.
Yeah, this was really fire. But anyway, that's besides the point. Let's go back on the charts. Gold looks like it's about to break here. It does look like it. I'm not gonna trade it as long as it's in here. Personally, I regard this as a no trade zone for now. All right. Let's say no trade. Oh, okay. No trade. No trade zone. Yeah. Anywhere in here for me will be a no trade. I think I will look for an entry on gold if we break this high. Does XNES pay you for doing all this? Yes, they pay me like $1 million every month. They pay me like $1 million every month for doing all of this. Please look at pound USD. Okay, fine. I can come at Sunshare. I distribute. Clever. Clever, please come through. Clever must be really clever. Come through, man. Can you come today? Even right now? Yeah, come through. Come through, Clever. Only Clever. Come through, Clever. Give me a WhatsApp call right now. Give me a WhatsApp call right. Yeah, TikTok is just okay. All right. I'll try and do like some challenges on TikTok. What do you guys think I should be doing on TikTok? Like what? Giving. I don't think I wanna like give any kind of education on TikTok. I just wanna, you know, maybe like just do some fun stuff. Just like you guys do some fun stuff. Yeah, like you guys do some fun stuff. What exactly is your strategy? What exactly is your strategy? I'm loving it. A bit of knowledge on your strategy. Well, Joshua, join my platforms. Most of them are free. You're gonna learn the strategy. It's very easy. Just reading candles. Just reading candles. Nothing more than that. I got an email from you this morning. I was very excited. Ooh, nice. Nice. Wow. Wow. A million. Wow. I'm joking. Please. I'm joking. Really joking. I'm really joking. Clever, are you coming? Give me a WhatsApp call right now. If you don't give me a WhatsApp call, don't come. Okay, fine. Let's look at we looked at NASDAQ. What's happening here? Oof. Crazy, man. Oof. Look at that. This thing is dropping. Oof. Crazy. I was gonna look for a sell here, but I don't know. There's nowhere to put a stop. If I look for a sell right here, that means my stop is gonna be like somewhere. No, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wait for this exact candle. I have a strong feeling. Don't trade with your feelings though, but I have a strong feeling that this exact candle might, right now it looks like it's here. I think it's gonna come create a high and retest this level. Maybe. And then if it does that, as it's going down, I'm going to take a sell and I'll put a stop somewhere above there. I don't want to put my stop here. I don't want to put my stop here. That looks like too far, right? I want to put my stop somewhere here, right? But I need reasons to do that. The candles really should convince me to do that. New York session is like in the next 29 minutes from now. So maybe I'll find my reasons then. Yeah, maybe. I'll see about that. Maybe I will. Yeah, guys, I'm ending the stream. I wasn't here for too long. nas100 see me to NFP passes. Oh yeah, please avoid some of these assets. They're dangerous for you. NASDAQ doesn't play. It doesn't play. Gonna get all your money. I'm gonna leave the stream, guys. I hope I gave you some ideas, but before I leave, let me look at pound USD. There's one guy who's been requesting for this asset the whole time, and I just feel like I've been avoiding, but not like I was. Oh no, I wanted pound USD. Pound USD. There we go. Pound USD. I think it's bullish. Yeah, it looks very bullish. It looks like a very bullish market right now. So if you check, it's like why is that guy looking through? The guy passed by the office and he's like, what the hell is happening in here? Okay, fine. So there's like this level here based off the daily time frame. I think this candle came to retest this area. I think it's going up. Yeah. 4-hour time frame. If we can break this high on the 4-hour, the high of the recent 4-hour candle, we should see some very good volume to the upside. So that high is this area on your 30 minutes time frame. That high is this level here. Yeah, it is. Maybe if we can break that. But right now it's bullish. If you bought when this candle closed, that was going to be good. Like somewhere here. You put your stop like below here, right? And then maybe you have like a TP or something like that. Yeah, if you did that, that was good, right? And I know some other reasons would be like, hey, you're doing like a trend line, right? Like you guys like to draw trend lines. Doing like a trend line and stuff. Is it something like this? Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense, and you make your money. Soft copies will be good as well. No worry, no stress. Soft copies is everywhere. Gold is selling, bro. Okay, fine. That's good. Let's not argue. No argument. Don't fight. Okay? We're not fighting. Gold is selling. Yeah. No arguments. It's selling for sure. Right? What exactly? Okay, fine. I think I read that. Guys, I'm out of here. Okay? Wasn't here for too long. Just like how many minutes? I have done 42 minutes of talking. Yeah, not bad. At least I enjoy talking to you guys. But anyway, go register for the seminar that's coming. Link is in the description. The moment you do register, you get like an email, and thereafter you get another mail, and then thereafter you get more mails, so you could, you know, gain some value from everything that we're doing. All right. So just go register and see how you could be a part of what we're doing. Okay. It's absolutely free. Nobody's charging you anything, and nobody will. It's absolutely free. Okay. All you gotta do is just register, and you'll be in safe hands. Right? Just go register and that's it. Otherwise, it's absolutely free. Look at NASDAQ. That's when I didn't enter the trade. It goes down. Yeah, I understand. But maybe also I was wrong by looking at this level. I should have been looking at this level here, to be honest with you. Yeah, because when this candle closed here, I should have entered right there. Okay, I should have entered like, I'm missing out a lot of trades lately. I should have entered like somewhere here, and maybe put a stop somewhere up there. Maybe have like a 1, 2, 3 of something like this. I'll be smiling right now, but I missed the trade. Too bad. Too bad. I missed the trade. Oh man, that drop on us. Yeah, man, I'm crying about the same right now. Missed the trade. Crazy. Sucks. You talk a lot about support and resistance, but it's a different type of support and resistance strategy. I'm new to your platform. That's why I'm asking. Well, it is the same old traditional support resistance, Joshua. It's nothing really different. It's the same way that you do it. I just talk about it a lot here, but it's the same way. I could be doing it differently, but trust me, it's the same concept. Right? Let me come tomorrow for the flyers. I'm babysitting my brother. Ooh, clever. Babysitting your brother. Wow. TikTok, that would be nice. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm out of here. Have a good one. Trade safely. Don't blow your accounts, right? Yeah, don't. Please don't. We missed this trade on the stream. Yes, we did. Yeah, we did. More trades anyway to come. Have a good one. Out of here.